In my mind, she was doing the same pose he did.
Yeah, man, my boy over there getting it. I want to sleep like that. I don't think it's gonna happen though. He beat me to the punch. I'm up. God damn. So, you hear that shit? That's some good sleeping now. Kinda fucked me up. I didn't know if that was a motherfucking a lawnmower, or a motherfucking Harley Davidson, or a helicopter. That shit sound like all them motherfuckers. You feel me, guys? But y'all like and subscribe to the page. It's gonna be interesting. Shit. The whole fucking 2020 been interesting so fucking far. So I'm gonna just add to it. But y'all subscribe, man. Y'all know y'all like looking at me any damn way. Women's. I'm married though. But yeah, subscribe. Fuck with your boy one time for the one time.